Unit 4, changes. The objects for this unit are talk about past events, talk about first time, talk about first trips, talk about important events in your life, the learning activities, the resources, what is the simple past? We use the simple past when we talk about things that have happened at a specific time in the past. To continue talking about the simple past, it's very important to understand what is a verb. The verbs are classified in two groups, the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. A regular verb is a verb that adds the or ed in the present tense to make the past tense form, like learned, learned, move, moved, walk, walked, love, loved. An irregular verb is one that does not take the ed at the end for the past simple or past participle form. That means that in the past simple, change completely the form of the verb, like put, put, be, was, were, drink, drank, ate, eat. Okay. Let's see some rules with the verbs. With a verb ending in E, you just add D at the end, like live, lived, start, started. When a verb ending in vowel plus Y, add ed, like stay, stated, play, played. When a verb ending in a consonant plus Y, change Y to I and add ed, like try, tried, carry, carried. One syllable single vowel and ending in single consonant, double the final consonant and add ed, like not, noted, rip, ripped. Two syllable, stress on second syllable and ending the single consonant, double the final consonant and add ed, like commit, committed, prefer, preferred. Let's see how can make the simple past. Positive. We went to Sandra's party. Did you see? This verb in positive way or in affirmative way is in past. Went. That is the past for the verb go. Negative. We didn't go to Sandra's party. Question. Did we go to Sandra's party? Do you see something special here in the question? You put at the beginning the auxiliary did. That means all the sentence is talking in past. And the verb in the questions is in the basic form. Go. You see? Go, basic form, present. The past is went. The rain stopped this morning. The rain didn't stop this morning. Did the rain stop this morning? She broke the vase. She didn't break the vase. Did she break the vase? I ate breakfast. I didn't eat breakfast. Did I eat breakfast? You closed the door last night. You didn't close the door last night. Did you close the door last night? Let's practice. When was your granddad born? My granddad born in 1973. That is an example. What did he do in the morning? He went to the gym. What dinosaurs eat? The dinosaurs ate vegetables. Now let's practice. What did you do in your last vacations? I went to Cartagena in my last vacations. I was at home in my last vacations. Where were you last Christmas? My last Christmas, let's see, I was with my family. What did you eat for breakfast yesterday? I ate eggs, chocolate, and some bread. Keep on practicing and see you the next unit.